Okay, so let's get into it. Today we are doing a deep dive on this online store, Greatstellar.com.
Right.
And we're using some bits from the Mateo Guide YouTube review, plus a bunch of security analyses to really get to the bottom of this conflict.
Yeah, it's a fascinating conflict. It's really a classic case of weighing these, really high claims against some pretty serious security warnings.
Yeah, exactly.
Our goal here is to kind of synthesize what the site says it offers. And I mean, the claims are
Here's some
big
cues.
against what these third-party analyses have actually found.
And on the surface, the appeal is massive. I
Yeah.
mean, Greatstellar.com, it claims worldwide shipping, a 90-day free return policy, which is very generous.
Incredibly
And it
generous.
boasts over 100,000 satisfied customers.
Oh, and you get a free ebook with every single order.
I mean, that's the kind of pitch that's designed to make you just click add to cart without thinking.
Yeah.
It lowers your anxiety about the purchase.
For sure.
Yeah.
But this is where we need to unpack things a bit. Absolutely. Because while those claims are really attractive, the security side of things, it raises some major red flags.
100%. What's so interesting is that reviewer after reviewer gives the site these incredibly low trust scores.
And not just low.
No. One analysis rated the site at just 1 out of 100. 1.
1 out of 100. It's staggering. And here's why it gets really interesting. The domain is brand new. It was created in late 2024.
So wait, how can it possibly have 100,000 satisfied customers already?
It can't. That's the thing. The math just doesn't work.
Right.
And that kind of mathematical impossibility, that's precisely what these security algorithms are designed to flag instantly. It's a known pattern for suspicious shops.
So that low trust score, that 1,100, it's not just a random number.
No, not at all. It means the combination of the new domain plus these immediate deceptive claims about having a huge customer base basically triggered every single tripwire. The site hasn't had time to build any real trust.
And it's showing all the behaviors of these like short-term sites that pop up, take money, and then disappear.
Exactly.
So with a score that, frankly, is horrifying, the only real question left is how you can protect yourself if you're still tempted to buy something. Which brings us to payment options. The site takes PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay, all the usuals. Why did that matter so much here?
Well, this is your critical safety net. These methods, they often come with built-in buyer protection.
Okay.
And that's absolutely crucial if you're even thinking about ordering from a site with these kinds of risk indicators. It's your only real way to get your money back.
So if you do decide to go for it, there's some steps you have to take. You just have to.
You have to treat it as a high-risk purchase from the start.
Right. So keep all your purchase records,
Yeah.
screenshots, emails, everything. And maybe treat that first order as a small test.
A very small test, something you are completely comfortable with losing, just in case.
Totally. And double check everything when it arrives, if it arrives, for authenticity.
Exactly. So to sort of bring it all together, the site has these really appealing claims. But all the underlying evidence, the risk indicators, they suggest you need to be extremely cautious.
That generosity they're promising. It's probably meaningless if the company itself doesn't exist in 2 months.
That's the risk.
So what does this all mean for you when you're shopping online? I mean, how do you balance the pull of a really good deal and a free ebook with the cold, hard fact of 1,100 trust rating?
It's a tough balance.
It is. It's something to mull over, the next time a deal seems just a little bit too good to be true.